If you're looking for something that is very practical, something that you could go out into the industry, learn the skills that you need in industry, this is a course for you. We have amazing facilities. Basically, we had a vision to create modern, contemporary immersive spaces. We have the esports arena. It's amazing because you've got all the colours there, you've got the staging there. It really makes you feel like you walked into a specialist space that's very different from the rest of the university. If they're doing games development or if they're doing AI, there are high-tech machines in there that they can use for that. But there's also the social side of it. So we have an esports team, Serenity, right? And students can actually join that team and participate in esports events.
We're not focusing on the exams. Our students are working on a project and they are assessed based on what they actually can do. How they write the code, how they test it, how they're planning specifications, how they present this project. It will help our students to be more prepared to the real-world scenarios.
Computer science is a very broad subject area. It covers so many different kind of aspects of technology, a bit of psychology. We work with kind of medical side of things when we kind of work with data sets. So when you look at computer science broadly, it's quite a large area. That's quite nice if you're coming into this field because there's so many exciting possibilities. Let's say you're somebody who's interested in building games, and we have a specialist games pathway. And what that pathway does, it allows the students to say, you know what, I want to focus here. I know I want to be a games developer. Same thing if they want to do AI. We have a specialist AI pathway. They say, you know what, I want to become an AI engineer. I want to understand how to build AI technology. So when students come to our university, they have a choice. They could pick computer science as a broad subject, or they could decide to specialize in a particular area. The computer science that we teach is actually embedded in the employment stuff that we do. So we have employers that come in, that they do guest speaking. In terms of the actual practical skills we do, it's informed by industry. So all the tools we use are the type of tools you would expect to use in the industry itself. One of the most recent talks we had was from Cisco. We're also not that far from central London, so there's some big names like Microsoft, IBM that are based around this region. So it's quite nice for that.
Our university campus is located in a calm and green area. So comparing to the city center, it's more appropriate environment for the focus and for the study. At the same time, we're still in the city, so students have opportunity to participate in technical events, meetups, good opportunity to be involved in this environment.
We want our students to be the best of the best. We want their CVs to stand out. We want them to bring in kind of unique experiences and something different so that when employers look at our students, they say, well, this person is bringing a lot to the table. And that's what we want.